Prep the base. Mix diced beetroot, chickpeas, sweet potato, onions, tomatoes, chili. Make pink dressing. Whisk yogurt, beetroot puree, chopped masala, cumin, and salt. Adjust consistency with water if needed. Drizzle dressing over chopped mixture. Toss gently. Garnish. Top with pomegranate, cilantro, baked papdi / crackers, lemon squeeze. Serve immediately for maximum crunch and freshness. Enjoy your Pink Chaat. Beetroot, rich in antioxidants and supports heart health. Great for vitamin intake. Chickpeas, high in plant-based protein and fiber, perfect for a balanced diet. Pomegranate, packed with vitamins and anti-inflammatory properties. Add sweetness. Swap sweet potato with potatoes or avocado. Add spinach for extra greens. For spice lovers, sprinkle red chili powder for an extra kick.